Good morning, class. Today we're going to be reviewing some subtraction strategies, especially when you have to borrow from the tens place. Our first step, if we're looking at this problem, Nugget, get away from the camera, is to make sure that you are drawing base 10 blocks to help you. I've put a visual down in the corner here to remind you that a tens block is really made up of 10 ones. Our number that we're subtracting from is 14. So you're going to draw 1 10 and 4 ones. Your next step is to look to see how much you have to subtract from it. In this case, we're subtracting 6, and it's a good visual to cross it out. To remind yourself that's what you're doing with the base 10 blocks, because you're taking 6 away from 14. Let's cross 6 out from 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, circle what's left. Use this as a visual if you need it, remembering that if you're taking 2 from the tens place because we had to borrow, we didn't have enough, but you've got 8 left. Okay, so your final answer is 8. If you have questions, feel free to send me your question within our classroom post.